Hi guys, welcome to this fun new video. In this video I will show you how I make a vest. Well, it won't be a tutorial. I'm collabing with a friend, Tortoise or Tourist FX. I haven't really asked how I should call her in this video. Preparation much. And it will be cute versus horror and creepy. I will be the cute and she will be the horror. And I think it will be a very fun thing to do with my friend. So I have bought a pattern that I found, I don't know where I found it, but I bought it on Ko-fi. In the PDF they told that you aren't allowed to make a video about it, but I really hope it's okay if I just show it in this video but don't explain in detail how I do it. That will just be you catching the vibe of this project. But it's a very lovely pattern. And then the back is normally one color, but I think I will invent another design to go on the back. So I will have to draw that out in Stitch Fiddle first, which is a website where you can make graphs for your crochet projects, which I also used for my wall hanging. There's actually a lot of preparation I still have to do for this project. Guys, I did a gauge because I always do it, and it's way too small. I don't think I'll be able to use this yarn. It's tiny, so I think I'll have to order new yarn. I'm going to order new yarn. Okay guys, this looks so bad, but I actually drew out a graph for the back of the vest, or it could also be the front, however you want to wear it. I taped it kind of messily, but at least I've drawn out the graph. Now let's look what Tortoise is doing with the front of her vest.
Yesterday I already made the ribbing, just because I was so excited. I wasn't actually gonna start yesterday. I was looking up some designs I wanted to do to make it myself and make it personally. I don't know if Eva already introduced me or not. My name is Margot, or you can call me Thordis. I have a French name, but I also have an Icelandic name. And behind me you can see a bit of my personality. So I love horror, not horse, horror. Why is it so hard? So I made the ribbing already yesterday because I got too excited. So on the back panel I want to put Michael Myers on it. I took a picture of it and I pixelated it, so I hope I can transfer it to crochet pattern. I don't know. I did a lot of math. And then on the front I was thinking, because it's a V neckline, I would do like his butcher knife, or just his kitchen, not his butter knife, his knife on one of the sides. Let's see. I worked up, did some rows here, and now I just made the first thing for my design for Michael Myers. Feels like a party every day. Hey, just hey. I have a little update. I've done this so far. This would be the back. Now I'm doing Halloween here because I miscounted and I wanted to be balanced. Now I'm like freestyling, doing Halloween. Let's see how that goes. I think I made this project a little bigger than I was planning to. I wear my clothes really oversized, so I wanted it to be more my style. So I crochet tightly, as you can maybe see. So I'm a bit worried that I'm not going to be ready on time for the deadline.
Let's see what I am doing now. My yarn already arrived, so I'm very happy, but I have kind of a busy day today. So I'll just open this box now to see what the yarn looks like. Okay, this yarn looks very bulky actually. I'm kind of scared now it will be too thick. It is very soft though, but it's the same size as the yarn I used for my wall hanging, I think. But I need to use a much smaller hook, so I hope things turn out right, but now I'm very nervous. So this is what I had so far, but I actually have to redo it because it's a bit too small for me. I think I'll use a hook that's a size bigger. And also I really dislike this color. I first really loved it, but after a while I started hating this color because it reminds me of real flesh. So I'll be able to change up the color as well. Yay! Ik ga het gewoon opgeven. Hi guys, it's now Sunday. If you can hear, Evert's work is working on my studio at the moment. And Mona is sitting on me, but you can't see her because I'm wearing black and she's black. So it's now Sunday and I completed the back or one side of my vest and I think it looks so cute. I tried at the back to make it as clean as possible, so I also crocheted in the ends and the tails of my yarn, but you can kind of see it sometimes through the yarn. You can see the other colors sometimes, but it's fine. And I'm super nervous to start on the other panel because it's a lot more complex and this already was quite difficult for me. But yeah, I'm so happy. This only took me 2 days. Yesterday I worked on it a lot though, I think maybe 7 or 8 hours. And let's go back to tortoise.
So what I'm doing now is I'm making the front panel. So this is the side with the V-neck. On the left side I'm going to do his knife. So now I have to do 43 rows up and then I can start my design on the left side. So I counted my stitches, put it in half and then half of that, and my knife is 10 stitches wide. So I counted it like that on my piece of paper here. And every time I did one row, I just put a little counting stripe. So I'm just counting here. I need 43. Oh, by the way, you know that people have like those bowls with a hole in it to put your yarn in? I just took a salad bowl. You know, those office supply things here. And I put my yarn through it and just clip it on the bowl like this. Then I have my own yarn bowl. And if I do multiple colors, I can put another clip next to it and then they don't tangle as much.
Let's see what I am doing now. Hi guys, please ignore how I look because it's just another pajama day for me. But I have finished this part and it looks so cool. I really love how it turned out, and actually the back looks kind of decent as well. Maybe I should do a few touch-ups, but I tried to weave in as much as possible while I was crocheting. A few things. Here suddenly I added about 2 stitches and I don't know how. When I attach the 2 panels, I will try to maybe hide this part and just attach them here. And that's the only thing that kind of went wrong, but I was just too lazy to fix it. Also, the maker of this pattern, I will, by the way, link the pattern in the description. But the maker of this pattern also is Belgian, and that's really fun because Belgium is like a really small country.
I just arrived at Eva's place, so I'm gonna get in. I'm really nervous. I've never filmed a video with someone before.
Okay, 3, 2. Hi guys, we're now ready for the reveal, and here she is, Tortoise.
I hope the one and only.
Yeah, I hope I'm pronouncing that right.
Yes,
Tortoise FX.
It's an Icelandic name, so.
Oh, cool. Okay, I probably not pronounced the right way. So I'm very happy to have her today on this channel because we did this super fun collaboration.
I'm really nervous.
But that's okay. You don't have to be nervous around me because I'm also very awkward when I'm filming. I guess it's time to do the reveal now. 3, 2, 1. Ta-da! Super fabulous. Ah yes, let's also show the back because...
Can you see it? Yes!
Yes, you can kind of see it. Yes, it's super cool.
Tippy toes.
Yeah. So this is the back of our design. And also at the front, I really like this knife. At first I didn't see it in the video you sent me. But it's so fun. I love it so much. Yay!
Designed it myself!
Yes, that's so cool. You're so
It was horrible.
I also designed this part, but not the back. But the back was the most difficult actually because it's like
it's a whole scenery.
Yeah, it has a lot of colors, and this was just the pattern. I could kind of predict it. Oh yeah, you should definitely go follow Tortoise on YouTube. I will.
And on Instagram.
Oh yeah, on Instagram and maybe also TikTok.
Yes.
I will put all her details in the description so you can follow her. Well, she's not on YouTube yet, but maybe she will in the future.
Maybe one day. It has been my dream since I was a small kid. And I started my YouTube channel several times, then deleted it all, and then started it again, and then deleted it all. So maybe this time.
Yeah, maybe this time. So that's it for this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please like, comment and subscribe to let me know you enjoyed it. And
I liked it.
Thanks. I probably will like it as well. I hope so, because this was a very fun project. And you can check out my other videos as well because I put a lot of effort into them. And I'll see you next time. I hope you have a good day or night. Bye bye!
Bye!